I would like to introduce to you all our model Smart House. This project was actually built by seeing the hardships of the people who are old, weak, physically disabled, and also pregnant ladies. Now my friend is going to say how it works.
This model is Smart House model. In this model, we make the four system: door lock system, LED light system, LPG gas detector system, and the car shift system. In this four system, first the door lock system. It consists the dynamo wire and the motor and the dial number. It is the controlled by the mobile. Next, the LED light system. In this system, we use the LED lights, wires and the node MCU. Next, the LPG leakage gas detector system. In this system, we use the LPG gas detector sensor and the buzzer and battery and wires. The next, car shift system. In this system, we use the sensors and buzzer and the car shift. If anybody to move the car, that time the buzzer buzzers. Next, I give